In this video, you will see how to delete footnotes in Word document. As you can see, I have here 3 footnotes, 1, 2, 3, and we will see how to delete one by one and all at once in the Word document. It's very easy. To delete or remove a footnote, what you need to do is just click next to the footnote, and after clicking, you will see the cursor. Now just use backspace on your keyboard and the footnote will be selected automatically and you will see this highlight. Now press backspace again on your keyboard and the footnote will get deleted. As you can see, the footnote has been deleted and the other footnotes are renumbered automatically. If you want to delete all footnotes at once, then press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. If you are a Mac user, you can click here and go to the replace option and go to find and replace. You will see this window. You need to click here to see the special option. Click on this option, and because we want to delete footnote, so we will select here footnote mark. In the find what, you will see caret F, that means footnote. Now go to the replace option, and because we want to delete the footnote, all footnotes at once, we will replace with nothing and we'll just click on replace all, and this will remove all the footnotes from Word document. As you can see here, all done. We made 3 replacements. That means the footnote is gone from your entire document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.